All right, trading consumer conference board consumer confidence on July 28th, I think today is. No, June 29th. These are my video notes. I traded the Euro US and I took a beating. The Euro US, I'm looking at the 1 hour chart. It, let's see, what time is it now? 10 o'clock. The Euro US started to plummet about 3 in the morning during the European session, and about 9 o'clock it took a real dump, and at 10 o'clock at 9 o'clock it went to a low of, where did I lose the most? 10 and 11 o'clock, there were two dojis. And the news came out at 10, and then about, I'm not looking at the right currency. Yeah. And then about 2 o'clock, no, that's not right. That is not right. Oh, it's Grand Mountain time. Whoops. 5 hours, so that's 9 o'clock. Right? 5 hours, 4, it's 10, 9 o'clock. Oh, yeah. Well, at 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock, it plummeted down to 121.64. I took about 30 pips out of it, in and out, in and out. I was actually in it at 122.90 something, and I just took some pips out of it, got out of it, and then after the announcement, the conference board consumer confidence was much lower than expected. I think the forecast was 62.8, came in very low at 52.9, lower than the last 2 months, May and April. So I thought it was going to continue going down, so I bought in at 121.69, and I thought it was going to reverse, but it didn't. It sort of retraced and climbed all the way up to 122.09, and then throughout the day, the high it went to was 122.13, and it's about 10 o'clock tonight, and it's climbed to 122.04. Unfortunately, I had one lot, and then I bought in 4 lots, and then I bought in 10 lots, so I lost about $200 on that trade. But it did, just for the note's sake, is that when the news came out, it did plummet at 10 o'clock. It opened at 121.80. It went to a low of 121.51, so it dropped about 29 pips, almost 30 pips. Before it retraced. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind. This is a heavy news week, end of the month. The stock market took a tumble today, I think over 300 points. China, the conference board, I think, redesigned their report or something, which rocked the market as well as the stock market. So, tomorrow is ADP non-farm payroll change, ADP non-farm employment change. So it's going to be big news. Thursday we have big news. We have unemployment claims at 8:30, and then on Thursday we have ISM manufacturing and pending home sales. So very big day. And then Friday is the granddaddy non-farm roll employment and an unemployment rate. So it's a very news-heavy week. I have to be very, very careful trading news. I'm better with the technicals than I am with the fundamentals. But I'm going to try to do these video journals for myself every day, and I may post them on the internet. internet for some other people to maybe they can gain some knowledge from it, but just for me. So I took a hit on there. It was the last trade. I'd made 30 pips. I got greedy. I should have waited. It's always the last trade that kills me. So that should be it for this journal.